Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Esu fell asleep and Orúnmìlà took advantage. Story. At the beginning of the world, Orúnmìlà went to where God was, to seek destiny and fortune, Irete. Olódùmarè told him to go to where Esu was. Orúnmìlà performed osod, divination, and made ibo with food and aguardiente, ot, alcohol, and he took it to Esu as an offering. Esu ate the offering and fell asleep. Orúnmìlà used that moment to his advantage and took the heads of money and fortune because he entered the Ìgbòdùn of Olórun, the sacred inner chamber of divine power. It was raining and Esu was still asleep. When he woke up, he got up looking for Orúnmìlà and said, "Where is that man?" But Orúnmìlà was already on the other side of the world, with all the wealth and all the fortunes. Èyèlémèrè, Aláàfíà, Olórun. Adífá fún Orúnmìlà. This chant means, peaceful dove of Olórun. This was the divination made for Orúnmìlà,